Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy. And today we are going to start our new chapter in the computer. So, our lesson number 3 is interacting with Windows. So, in this chapter, we will learn that how to do more work using with the latest version of the window. So first of all we will learn that what is icon, how to move icon, and you will also learn that what is the single icon use. Okay, so we will start now our lesson. So on page number you can see 26, interacting with Windows. Our pink box as usually. So in pink box, working with Windows is easy. We interact with. Now when you use window, you also interact a few more options also. So which are they? We interact with Windows through its graphic user interface, and this is the full form, that is the graphic user interface. In short form here it is given in the bracket GUI. Now what is graphic user interface? So that we will learn in this chapter, last para. You can see keyboard, mouse, monitor, and here CPU is given, internet connection user is using. So now we will learn what is the GUI, graphical user interface. GUI is a user interface that comprises of graphical components such as buttons, windows, and icons. So you will learn about the icon, windows, and the buttons, okay, to make your work more graphically. And here are more, it is given using graphical. Now what is the use of using these components, buttons, windows, and icon? What is the use of that? By using graphical components, data and instructions are provided to the computer for processing. We use this button, windows, and icon so that the instruction given to do the work does properly, and we get the best result of it by the graphical work. And next thing is commonly used graphical user interface components of Windows are described in this chapter. So we will learn more deeply about this GUI, that is graphical user interface. Okay, in the pink yellow box here it is given. Other than GUI, there is an interface called command line user, that is GLU interface. CUI, here it is given CUI, that is command line user. So here we are going to take as command line user interface. Command line user interface, CUI. It allows users to interact by typing the commands. You have to type few commands. So we will learn that which are the commands. So on page number 27 it is given first part, that is the first component, that is the icons. Icons are small graphical images that can be seen at different places of Windows, like desktop, quick launch toolbar, system tray, etc. So that we already did in the previous chapter, that what is the quick launch toolbar, system tray, and the what is desktop. So icons can either be a files, folder, devices, program, etc. Okay, so icon, it is not mean that icon means only a name of program in the form of icon. It can be a file, folder, device, or your program name also. So here an example is given, interacting with computer using icons. Here you are using one icon. Okay, so single icon first we are going to learn. Icon can be used in following ways. This is the single icon. Okay, selecting any single icon, click on the icon with the help of mouse that is to be selected. So first you have to select with the help of mouse single any select any icon. Okay, so you are selecting by clicking it with the help of mouse. And second one is selecting multiple icons. For example, you want to select 2-3 icons, 2-3 program, or 2-3 file, you can say 2-3 folder, 2-3 program icon you are selecting. So here it is given 2-3-4, you are selecting 4. So click on multiple icons with control key pressed. So how you will select? If you select all at a time, you will not able to do. So here it is given control key is pressed. So press control key, okay, and click with the mouse, you will do. Now executing an icon. Now what is executing an icon? That is double click on the icon that is to be executed. Executed means double click on the icon. So here is a double click you can do with the right click, not with the left key. Okay, so you are going to click with the key of the given on the right side of the mouse. Okay students, now we'll go through the next page. Next option is interacting with computer using bar menu. Okay, now what is the bar menu? Here it is given bar where you can open file, so you will see this file option, also edit what you want to edit, format what type of format you want to do, that is you can say a style, font style also you can say. So many options are there. View, what type of view you want or any help you want regarding this work. So this is the menu bar you can say, and here it is a menu bar of a notepad, and here it is given untitled notepad means you have not given any name to your work. Okay, so here it is given simple untitled notepad. So here first of all you are going to click the desired option to select it. So first we will go to the file option to select any file or a folder. Okay, second option is after selecting file, press Alt key and underline letter key. Okay, so there in the keyboard you will able to see you are going to press Alt key and then the underline letter key of the menu. See, of the menu that is to be selected. For example, here it is given edit. So first letter is E and it is underline E. So you are going to press Alt key and E, that is alphabet E and Alt key, both you have to press at a one time with the two fingers. Then see here it is given press Alt and E keys together to select edit menu. See, if you don't want to use your mouse and you want to do your work with the help of keyboard, so this is the shortcut. So here you can say like this, Alt and E. So you will able to open your edit menu. So you can open edit menu with the help of keyboard. Okay, so here it is given few shortcuts. You are going to go through this each one by one. Start menu. This menu appears when mouse is clicked on start button. Start menu opens when you click with the help of mouse on the start button. And now what is the pull down menu? This menu appears when mouse is clicked on some option of some other menu. Third one, shortcut menu. The shortcut menu appears when you right click on few specific places of Windows. Okay, with the help of right click of the mouse. Next one is system menu. The system menu appears when mouse is clicked on system menu button or present on the title bar of any program window. Either you direct click with the help of mouse on the system menu button, or you can click on the title bar of any program window. So till on this page number 28 we will do in today's session. Okay, and here it is a one question for you. What is the full form of GUI? That is graphical user interface. Okay, and next we will do in the next class. Thank you student, have a nice day.